Create personalized photo ornaments. Make salt dough ornaments with holiday shapes. Craft paper snowflakes and hang them with string. Paint clear glass ornaments with acrylic paint. Make cinnamon stick ornaments with ribbon. Create yarn-wrapped ornaments in various colors. Use old sheet music to make musical note ornaments. Craft rustic wood slice ornaments. Create origami paper ornaments. Make beaded ornaments with colorful beads. Craft felt ornaments in holiday shapes. Create button ornaments with assorted buttons. Make sequin ornaments for a touch of sparkle. Craft mini snow globe ornaments with tiny figurines. Use pine cones to make natural ornaments. Create fabric scrap ornaments with holiday prints. Make monogram ornaments with initials. Craft miniature wreath ornaments. Create paper quilling ornaments with intricate designs. Make miniature gingerbread house ornaments. Craft jingle bell ornaments for a festive touch. Create mini mitten ornaments with scrap fabric. Make button and thread snowflake ornaments. Craft beaded icicle ornaments with clear beads. Create personalized fingerprint ornaments.